The fastest-growing self-storage businesses run online-first operations. They sell units online, take payments automatically, and manage customers digitally. Because that's how growth stays repeatable, not chaotic. As portfolios grow, manual work and disconnected systems slow teams down and make performance harder to manage. Stora is the growth platform built for this reality. It brings your website, online bookings, payments, pricing, and day-to-day operations into one connected platform, designed to integrate with your existing tools and adapt as your business evolves. Bookings happen online. Payments run on autopilot. Revenue grows automatically. By standardizing how operations run, Stora removes manual efforts and creates leverage, so teams stay lean, customer experiences stay consistent, and growth becomes easier to manage across sites and over time. Stora, the operating system for modern self-storage.